song about losing culture and losing meaning. That's what Eastleighwood or Ewood is all about.
Actually, our dream is to fight with actual negative stereotypes. If you look like Somali or if you are Somali, you are either terrorist or pirates. So we are very good people, we are civilized. So we are trying to remove this negative perception. So when you see Somali, well, the world will respect, oh, these are good people. They are civilized, they have actually a long history.
23-year-old Hassan was born in Somalia. The actor lost both his parents in the country's terrible war.
I like to be acting all the time if I have that chance, and I got that chance from Eastleighwood, and then they were helping me to be an actor or to do some films, and I've already done so far some short plays and one movie, and it's called The Lana, and the other maybe human trafficking.
Apart from film and theatre, Eastleighwood also offers modeling and music training. Asad is an aspiring musician. His message to the Somali youth is simple: drop the gun and pick up the pen.
No more drugs, no more bad company. Eastleighwood has empowered me, taught me cool. I wish I could spring my wings in flight. Let me just say, this place is like my home, because all my friends, we're not standing like we're just looking to get money in here or what. We're just standing like youth people who looking for peace.
Eastleighwood operates out of a 3-room flat. So, most people have never heard of or seen these movies. It might not ever rival Hollywood or Nollywood, but the hopes and dreams being built here are certainly real. Sonny Methu, Nairobi.
News that moves. ENCA.com.